In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable notifications from your Christian Debt app on your smartphone. So if you have been receiving a lot of notifications from this app and you'd like to put an end to this, then let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now to do this, you need to go ahead and access the app info page for you to be able to fix this. Now for this, you need to go to settings, and from settings scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now under apps, go ahead and look for this option called manage apps or all apps. And here, if you tap on this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, your Christian Debt app is here. Alternatively, you can also just search for your app by name using the search option here. Once you have found it, go ahead and tap on it and you'll be on the app info page. Now, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back to your app, and once you have found it, go ahead and long press on it. And here now we have app info. Go ahead and tap on it and you'll be on the same page. At this point, go to the section called permissions, and under permissions go to notifications, and you can see notifications are on. That's why you are receiving those pop-up notifications. To disable them, instead of disabling each and every notification here, just go ahead and disable this show notifications option, and now all the other types of notifications will be turned off. At this point, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications or alert from this app unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can disable notifications from your Christian Debt app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.